Hey guys, welcome to the Ultimate Post Kit widget tutorial. In today's video, we'll talk about the customizations of the recent comments widget. First, let's drag and drop the widget inside the page. The widget is taking a lot of space and shrinking down. By using some padding from the advanced tab will make it look more arranged and neat. Okay, now the layout section lets you change the number of columns for the widget. You can select a 3 or 2 columns format and see how it looks. After that, you can customize the row gap and column gap to increase the space between the items. Also, there's an alignment option for the content part. Next, the query section offers item limit control, source option, include exclude filters, and a bunch of sorting options. Then the additional settings section has some switches to show or hide certain elements from the widget like the titles, text, author, etc. There's also a text limit field here for limiting the comment description and another field for customizing the author name separator. Alright, now let's move into the style part of the customization. Let's customize the appearance of the widget. The first section is called items, where you can customize the background, border, padding, as well as add a box shadow to the items or comments. For now, let's move into the text section and start customizing the font style through the typography option. After that, go into the meta section. Here you'll find 3 subsections to separately customize the avatar, author text, and date of the widget. Under the avatar subsection, you can adjust the image size from the predefined options here. Then let's adjust the border radius to shape the image boxes. Also zero the padding field. Next, go into the author subsection and change the text color to black. Also change the hover color to something bright. Then go for the typography customization. After that, go into the date section, and here you can customize the margin to distance the dates from the titles. Then go for the typography as well. And just like that, you're able to create a stylish comment section for your blogs. We keep it minimal, but you can be creative at any time. That's all. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel to get new tutorial videos. Stay safe and see you next time.